Buenas tardes. It's another hot day here in Leon. I am on my way to Casa del Café, cafe in the center of the city. I go there way too much, but it's my favorite cafe. It has air conditioning and the best Wi-Fi by far, so I'm gonna head there and try to upload a video. Fortunately, they have, I think, close to 20 megabytes upload speed, which is like 10 times better than every other place. So I can actually upload a video in like an hour instead of 5 or 10. So yeah, gonna go there, upload the video, and then we'll see what else is in store for today. So just left Casa del Café, just uploaded a video real quick. Now I'm gonna kind of roam around the city a little bit and soak in the sun. Alright, so I just walked around for a little bit. I was hanging out for a few minutes in one of the new parks in the neighborhood of El Calvario. It's a nice new park. It's pretty small, but it's got a lot of benches. It's real clean. Some snack bars. There's a security guard there. So it's a cool place to hang out. Only problem there is there's only like 2 trees. Well, there's tons of trees, but most of them are saplings. So only 2 big trees, so there's like no shade. So during the day, you have to fight for like the 2 benches that are in the shade. But now I'm gonna go to the market, grab some fruit there, and then head back home. So I just stopped by the market, picked up some mango. I'm pretty excited actually because it's sweet mango. Mango's been out of season for like the last 6 months, so the only option has been bitter mango where you can add salt. I'm a much bigger fan of the sweet, ripe mango. So hopefully it tastes pretty good. But it's super noisy right now, lots of cars. I'm gonna head back home and end the vlog here. I know today was a little bit boring, but as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.